Hello and welcome to. Sorry. Very nice. Take two. Hello and welcome to day 7 of. Day 7, nahi? Day 8. Yeah. Hello. Take 3. Hello and welcome to day 8 of Leh and Ladakh. And today we are checking out from Hanle. We are gonna go to Umlingla and then we are gonna go to Sumariri. And we are having our breakfast here in Hanle Lodge. That's where we are staying. And look at this very cute breakfast setup. This is their dining hall. It's very cute. The food here is delicious. We had a yum dinner last night. And we're gonna have a yum breakfast now. Do you think we are racing?
Yeah.
I don't think we are racing. He thinks we are racing. We are not racing.
क्या करना है बता दो पहले
कुछ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही भागो.
से रहेंगे
चल. Yo,
Yo,
what's up?
enjoying
How you
the
feeling?
views, enjoying the views, going to Umlingla. Had not expected this road to be like this, but this is
Fun.
out of this world.
Fun. It's
Easy.
fun. The music, the vibe, the water, and overall is beautiful. Beautiful, my friends. Beautiful. Stanton, can we increase the volume a little, please? This is how we go up to 19,000 feet above sea level. We are going at the top of the world. आ जाओ, कोई wild animal आ जाओ. I am calling upon you, the gods of wild animals.
जो मिशन है हमारा आओ छत्तीसगढ़ देखो बस्तर हमारा बस्तर जो अभी कुछ दिनों पहले ही इंडिया के टूरिज्म मिनिस्टर मिस्टर गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी ने बोला कि आपने अगर बस्तर नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं देखा उन्हीं के ही रास्ते
Finally, हम पहुंच गए हैं. We've reached Umlingla Pass, 19,024 feet above sea level. Of course, it's beautiful here. Health update: we are feeling absolutely fine. I'm not feeling out of breath. अगर कुछ out of breath जैसी feeling आनी भी होती वो चली गई है views देख के और इस जगह की vibe देख के. I have gotten some few certificates for sports, dance and all that in school and college. But this has to be the best one and the most amazing and worth it one. Even Stanson got a certificate this time. He's doing all the touristy things with us. When we reached here, इतना rush नहीं था. अभी थोड़ा सा rush बढ़ गया है. So it's taking a little time for us to get our picture there. But ज़्यादा rush नहीं है and people are civil, so it's good.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be shooting this for my wife because she's really angry with me and I think there are amazing views out there which I think she would not have missed if she was shooting. So let me show you around. Look here. As I mentioned, my wife, she's angry with me but she would have captured these beautiful shots. Look at her. Neeti, you can Just show your face. At least. Wow. She's hiding a smile. I can see that. She's enjoying this. Are you liking this place? It is. You know the name of this lake? We'll let you guys know about the name of this lake later. And look at her. She's also very beautiful. She's angry. I know her. But she's smiling also. So we have reached Lake Somoriri, and let me show you the lake.
We have reached Sumuriri viewpoint, and it's very windy, it's very secluded. I mean, it's not secluded, but like there is no one here. Literally, it's just us, our car. Look at this. Not going to take it out on Ladakh and my lovely viewers. So, my lovely viewers, view the view. And me. This is what I look like now. We are still not friends.
She's trying to capture the view. And look at this. This is crazy. It's like an ocean in the middle.
That's our car. And that's Stanson. And इसको ठंड नहीं लग रही है. यहाँ पे भी लोगों ने घर बनाए हैं क्या? ये छोटे छोटे ये जो बनाए हैं, ये घर बनाए हैं क्या? मैं भी अपना एक घर बनाती हूँ यहाँ पे. यहीं लद्दाख में बस जाऊंगी, इस दुनिया से दूर. No, this is my house. You're not allowed in here. काफी फ्लोर्स है इसमें. हाउस बना रहे हैं कि हम होटल बना रहे हैं? I don't mind a hotel also. I like hotels. हवा ने गिरा दिया तो इतना ही रख बस. ज़्यादा ऊंचा नहीं उड़ना चाहिए, इतना ही ठीक है. इसको हवा गिरा नहीं पाएगी, इसका बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग है.
Crazy. Look at her vlogging.
ओ भाई सुना, वहाँ पर भी तो बहुत सारी है. वाह. हाय बा. बा.
ऊपर आ जाएगी मुझे तुम्हारे.
बा.
Look at this girl.
They're looking at me.
This
Ba.
girl.
They are turning heads. Ba. Ba. Look at how that one's chewing. Oh, now they are ignoring me. They're like, she's not like us.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye. So we finally reached our guest house in Sumuriri. We are staying at Sumuriri guest house, जो कि Sumuriri पहुँच के बहुत easily हमें मिल गया था. And let me show you around our room. This is the room. We have already messed it up a little bit, which is okay. But this is the view from the room. And Pranav is hiding in the corner because he thought that he might ruin the video, which is not true. And this is the washroom. Again, very decent. Now we've become friends again. I don't know how long that will last.
Lifetime.
But we are going to
Friendship
a
of
cafe.
lifetime.
Shut up. We are going to a restaurant to eat something. I want to have Maggie. So we are going to have Maggie. Do you want to have Maggie?
I'll have you.
I can't post that.
I'll have Maggie too.
Yeah. He'll have Maggie too. दोनों बॉयज गाड़ी में पेट्रोल डालते हुए, क्योंकि सुमो रिरी में अब हमको आगे नहीं मिलेगा पेट्रोल, तो ये अपना बैकअप को यूज़ कर रहे हैं दोनों मिलके. फाइनली स्टैंसन को ठंड भी लगने लगी है, स्वेटर पहन लिया है. तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा घूमते घूमते अभी आ गए हैं सुमोरिरी गोनपा, which is Sumuriri Monastery. Let me show you around. No, it's not Sumuriri Monastery. It's Korzok Monastery. And we are now going up. Let me show you around. There is some prayer going on. Look at the view from the monastery. हम पानी भरने रुके हैं. साफ ठंडा ग्लेशियर का पानी आ रहा है. All the way from there somewhere to here. और ये देखो बॉयज को पानी भरने जाते हुए. I know, right? Look at this. So we requested Stanzen to take us around a little bit, and he took us to this village. This is a nomadic village, which is now semi-permanent as well. Hi!
Hey guys. Hello Niyati. Hello from here. Hello from this side.
Hello from this side to my side
This side
to
of
that
the world.
side.
Look at that.
Oh wow!
The views.
Views. Will you keep doing high only? Yay! Look at that. Yes. We are finally back in our car and look at my hair. It was crazy windy, crazy like anything. But the view is so beautiful, beautiful बोल रही हूँ मैं. Now I feel my brain has frozen a little bit, but we are fine. We are feeling fine. So that's a good thing. And I think now we'll just go to our guest house, eat something, and wait for the sky to clear out so that we can see the Milky Way again. तुम लोग क्या view from the window, view from room करते रहते हो? मैं तुमको दिखाती हूँ जन्नत from room क्या होता है. I almost forgot that I was supposed to shoot end day 8 lay of what? Take 2. Okay, I almost forgot that I was supposed to shoot the end of day 8 in what the day 8 of Leh and Ladakh finally comes to an end. We did stargazing tonight as well, and it was beautiful. We saw the Milky Way tonight as well. While I'm wrapping day 8, my dear Pati Dev is cleaning his shoes. Yeah, that's how finicky he is about his things. Even my things as well, like rightly mentioned. Tomorrow we are going to Leh, and via Leh we are gonna go to Zanskar. So we have to leave at 6. We can't be late. We have to be on time, and then it's gonna be day 9 of Leh and Ladakh. Until then, so I'm gonna let him clean his shoes, and I'm gonna end this vlog Day 8 of Leh and Ladakh comes to an end. Good night. हम सोने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बट हमें लाइट, ये प्यारी प्यारी मून लाइट जो हमारी इट्स जाइगैंटिक विंडो से दिखाई दे रही है, वो हमें सोने नहीं दे रही है. इट्स वेरी ये